Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, well, it's available now. We can ship this anywhere around the world before the end of the year. This is a California emissions compliant vehicle built on an original 1970 Bronco chassis. Now this vehicle is a Fuelie edition product by Gateway Bronco. It has an EcoBoost turbocharged engine, 300 horsepower backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. Brittany blue exterior, Wimbledon white accents, and a Wimbledon white hardtop. Let's go take a look inside. For those buyers looking for a manual transmission vehicle, this is a smooth cruising vehicle. It's unbelievably smooth with the EcoBoost engine. It has this wonderful leather interior front and back. It has wool carpet, San Felipe roll bar, and it's available now, shipping anywhere around the world. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn this dream into your reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.